Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by anchoring your starting point. Write 3 concrete areas of your life you want to change and pick one high-impact goal with a deadline. Once done, break that goal into measurable signposts so you can track progress. Make sure to allocate specific time blocks and name the 2 resources you'll use first. For example, $50 for classes and a mentor call. This gives you momentum now. Start the very first time block within 24 hours. You now design daily execution that bridges intention to reality. Set a 90-day routine with clear weekly milestones and simple daily rituals that take under an hour. Once you have rituals, apply a 2-step habit loop, a cue and a 10-minute action, then expand time as the habit sticks. Make sure to track each session in a checklist or percent complete tracker and review weekly to adjust. This structure turns vague hope into repeatable, measurable activity. You finish by solidifying gains and preparing for friction. Celebrate weekly wins and document lessons so you can scale what works, then automate one action and remove one friction point to protect momentum. If progress stalls, run a quick 3-question audit. What barrier appeared? What tiny test will reveal a fix? And what is your next step? Use that test immediately. Finally, set calendar reminders and a weekly review. These close the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.